the slides will ask you to click and drag an item in order to complete a task. How do you do that? First, you must hover over the item you want to click and drag. So for the picture of the shirt, I'm going to click and drag digraph SH into the box. So I'm going to hover over the SH until I see those 4 arrows appear. Once I see those 4 arrows, I'm going to click and hold my click with one finger, and then I'm going to use my other pointer finger to slide digraph SH into the box. Once I have it there, I let go with both of my fingers. And then it's done. There's another slightly different way you might have to click and drag. On this slide, I'm going to click and drag digraph SH to complete the word shell. What you need to do on this one is click and then put your mouse right over the border until those 4 arrows appear, just like on the other one. And then you click with one finger, hold it down, and then slide your other pointer finger up until you have digraph SH into the correct position. Now you don't want to click in the box because then it will act like you're going to type something. You just want to put it on the border of the box where the 4 arrows come up. Then you can move it wherever you want it. That's how you click and drag.
I've explained what your screen will look like as you click and drag an item on Google Slides. I also want to show you what your fingers will be doing as you click and drag an item. Once you have found the item that you want to click and drag and you see those 4 arrows that appear, you are going to click with one finger, and I'm holding this finger down. With my other finger, I'm going to slide upwards, because that's the direction that my item needs to go, until I have it over the spot that I want it. And once it's there, I'm going to let go of my click, and the item is now exactly where I want it to be. Again, you click and hold with one finger, and you drag it in the direction you want it to go with your other finger. If you want it to go left, you move your finger left. If you want it to go right, you move your finger right, up or down, depending on where you want that object to go. And when you have it where you want it, you just let go, and that's all there is to it.